Ready to move your USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance and unlock the power of crypto exchange? First, open your Tonkeeper wallet on your phone and make sure you have the USDT you want to transfer available in your balance. Now switch over to your Binance app. Tap on Wallet, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Deposit. Choose USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies if it's not immediately visible. Use the search bar to find it. Very important! On the next screen, you'll see a list of network options. Select Ton Network. Choosing the wrong network will result in permanent loss of your funds. Double check, triple check. This is the Ton Network. Binance will now generate a USDT deposit address specific to the TO and network. Carefully copy this address by tapping the copy icon next to it. Go back to your Tonkeeper app. Tap on the Send or Withdraw button. Paste the Binance USDT deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Review all the details carefully: the amount, the recipient address, and make sure it's the Ton Network. Confirm the transaction within Tonkeeper. Head back to your Binance app. The transfer may take a few minutes to complete. You can check the status in your transaction history. Once confirmed, your USDT will appear in your Binance wallet and you are all set.